As your web design business grows, you'll eventually hit a ceiling. You can only take on so many clients, juggle so many tasks, and work so many hours alone. That's when it's time to grow your capacity, not by doing more yourself, but by building a team. In this lesson, I'll show you how to hire freelancers or build a small team the smart way so you can grow without burning out. Step 1. Decide what to delegate first. You don't have to hire a full team on day one. Start by offloading the tasks that drain your time or energy. Common areas to delegate: development, if you focus on design; copywriting; admin tasks like proposals and client follow-ups; revisions or production work. Ask yourself, what do I do repeatedly that someone else could handle better or faster? Step 2. Hire freelancers before employees. Start lean. Freelancers are flexible, scalable, and lower risk. You can find great talent on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr Pro, Contra, LinkedIn, or design Facebook groups. Your own network. Look for people with niche experience like WordPress devs, SEO writers, or Figma pros. And always start with a small paid test project. Step 3. Set clear expectations. Successful outsourcing comes down to clarity. Before assigning work, make sure you provide a clear brief or checklist, timeline and deadline, access to tools or assets, communication preferences, Slack, email, etc. Don't assume they're not in your head. Clear systems equals fewer revisions and better results. Step 4. Build simple SOAPs. SOPs, or standard operating procedures, make your process repeatable. Start by writing or recording short walkthroughs for how you deliver client proposals, your site build checklist, the process for monthly maintenance. Store them in a shared folder or Notion doc. This saves time when you bring someone new on board and improves consistency. Step 5. Communicate like a leader. Once you've hired someone, lead them. Don't micromanage. Have a weekly check-in or async update. Give clear, kind feedback. Use tools like Loom for review videos. Celebrate wins and improvements. The better your communication, the stronger your team becomes. And remember, great freelancers want to work with great clients. Be one. Step 6. Gradually grow into a team. As your business grows, your needs will shift. You might hire a project manager to handle clients, a part-time assistant, a junior designer or developer, a content or marketing specialist. You're building a business that runs with or without you doing every piece. That's freedom. That's scale. That's leadership. You don't have to go it alone. Hiring even one great freelancer can give you back your time and help you deliver more value. In the next lesson, we'll talk about your long-term vision and how to scale your business with clarity and purpose, whether you want a boutique agency or a solo-friendly studio.